Hey guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install a Darktable on Ubuntu 80.04. First we must add the repository for Darktable, and after that we will install. So let's open terminal and copy the first command. And press enter to continue. And let's clear and copy the let's command. You can close it now. And yes to continue. And now we start to install. And so please wait. And now the installation is finished. So let's open Darktable. So this is Darktable, version 2.4.3. So this is how to install Darktable on Ubuntu 80.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.